Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jio Top Up. The simplest and most reliable method involves using the official My Jio application or the Jio website. This process ensures your number remains active and you can continue enjoying uninterrupted services. A top-up adds monetary value to your account, allowing you to make calls, send messages, or purchase specific data packs when your main plan benefits are exhausted. It's a quick way to stay connected. To begin, simply open the My Jio application on your smartphone or head over to the official Jio website on your computer. Once logged in, locate and tap on the recharge option, usually found prominently on the main screen. From the various recharge categories, choose Top Up. You will then be prompted to enter your Jio mobile number and specify the exact top-up amount you wish to add. After entering your number and the amount, you will see a range of available top-up plans. These plans vary, offering different talktime values or even small data benefits, depending on your selection. Carefully review the details, including the validity period and any specific benefits associated with each option. Make sure your chosen plan aligns with your communication needs before you confirm your selection and move forward to the payment gateway. The final step involves securely completing your payment. You can choose from several convenient options, including Unified Payments Interface, commonly known as UPI, net banking, or various debit and credit cards. Once your transaction is successful, you will receive an immediate confirmation message on your registered mobile number. It is always a good practice to then check your updated balance or plan details within the My Jio application to ensure everything is correctly applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.